Hi folks, welcome to your tutorial for blog number 4, the talk on Twitter. You're starting here hopefully at the prompt for blog number 4 where you will see two important links. One is a link to GitHub and the other is a link to the instructions. Now GitHub is a site where you will be downloading the script from, and the instructions are a relatively large PDF file, so you'll want to download them because they might not load directly on Canvas. So first off, we go over to GitHub, and then which is at https://github.com/mandiberg/search-twitter-hashtags. So click over to here, and the important thing is to go over here and say clone or download. You will download the zip so that it goes to your computer. You then go to your downloads folder, open the search Twitter hashtags folder, and you will see a couple of things. The important thing is to open the input-txt file and put it over to the side. Now, the second step is to download the instructions. After you've downloaded the instructions, they will look something like this. Now, the instructions are everything that we are doing in this video, plus images. So if you want to refer back to both, that is totally cool. Second step, go to Twitter Advanced Search, which is at twitter.com/search-advanced. Now, you're going to create a search dependent on the game you have been playing for this module. I've set up a search for Fortnite so for the hashtag of Fortnite with the recent note by Prince Harry requesting or stating that Fortnite should be banned, to see what is up with this. Of course, this only works if you've been playing Fortnite. So you're going to think of search terms for your games. Now, you run the search, and of course, the search that comes out is completely dependent on popularity. What we need to do is switch it to the latest, so it is in reverse chronological order. Next step is to scroll down. Now, this is the step that takes a very long time, or rather it takes either a very long time or as long as you want to put in it. Now, you can scroll down, but obviously that doesn't go very fast. You could page down, but that also doesn't go very fast. So what we are going to do is go to the bottom of the page. So on a Mac, it's Function and then the right arrow to go to the bottom of the page. As you'll see, it goes quite fast. However, it can take a long time. So my advice is to put weighted objects on your page down key or on your Function and right arrows. Then go do something else. Relax, take a walk, whatever. Return in a bunch of minutes to an hour. And what you will see is a lot of things loaded up. Now, assume that we've just taken all that time. What you then do is select everything. Just throw Apple A, Control A, or just go up to Edit and select all. Copy everything. And now you take what you've copied over to your text file that you opened previously, and you paste it into it. Don't paste it without deleting everything that came previously. Now, what you will have seen is that you got to a certain point in time. That point in time for us is April 4th, obviously not that far ago. You want to delete everything from that moment to the previous date. So we are going to delete all of the April 4ths so that we know we have everything until April 5th. Now we go back into the Twitter search command and do the search again. So again, hashtag Fortnite, Harry, ban illegal. But here, till the 5th, search. Now the latest involves up until April 4th, which was that cutoff, and now we start it going down. The reason you have to switch it is because eventually your browser will go at a slug's pace. So you need to sort of refresh it by taking a new bunch. So we take a bunch. Now for this assignment, you should either take everything or everything that is relevant. Now, given that Prince Harry only did this sometime in the last week or two, we're only going to take it into about mid-March. So again, copy, go over into the input file, and then at the end, paste the new things. So at this point, you are creating a long list of tweets that are very, very unapproachable. Now here's where the second step of the process goes. You need to use the terminal to run a Python script to parse all of these tweets. Now, terminal is hard to find. So what we do is we go into the search field and find terminal. You want it to be finding name matches terminal, and now it pops up. So double click terminal. And now you need to run a couple of functions. These are located in the instructions. However, here's how you do them. CD for change directory, then space. Now what you want to go to is the place where the Python search file is located. So click and drag on this icon right here over to terminal. And this is this path to where the Python script is located. Now you can do that manually or you can drag it over. Next step is to run the script. Python parse Twitter search.py. And now it runs it. Now what you get is two files, the output file and the slop file. The slop file, if it's running properly, should have almost nothing or nothing in it. As you can see, there's only one line in it randomly. The output file is your useful Excel file that has parsed all of the tweets into a usable format. So we open it, it opens, and now you see your tweets separated into the tweet number, the author handle, the full name, the date, the tweet, and retweet, retweeted from, etc., as well as hashtags. You know that in that past month, 941 tweets have been used, have been tweeted, and you can now use this information to create a graph. So that is number 2, right? Create or view it through a graph. That is how to run the Python the Python script using whatever function of Twitter search you want to use. For this assignment, you need to do 3 things. Download the script, get the data, and then in some ways create a graph or image of your hashtag data over time. Then write something about what that means. So in this case, what Harry's comment did in terms of tweet responses. Did it do anything?